Salam, a trade-based product. Do you know the definition of Salam? What is Salam? In Arabic, the word Salam means to advance. This is a contract whereby the purchaser pays the price in advance and the delivery of subject matter is postponed to a specified time in future. If we see the background of Salam, before prohibition of interest, farmers used to get interest-based loans for growing crops and harvesting. After prohibition of interest, they were allowed to do Salam transactions. This helped them to get money in advance for their needs. During the days of our Prophet, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the caravans used to get interest-based loans for purchasing the commodities. After prohibition of interest, they were allowed to do Salam. Do you know what is the background of Salam? Buy Salam is an ancient form of forward contract, wherein the price was paid in advance at the time of making the contract for prescribed goods to be delivered later. Upon migration from Mecca, the Prophet came to Medina, where the people used to pay in advance the price of fruit or dates to be delivered within 1, 2, and 3 years. But such a sale was carried out without specifying the quality, measure, or weight of the commodity, or the time of delivery. The Holy Prophet, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, ordained that whoever pays money in advance for fruit to be delivered later should pay it for a known quality, specified measure and weight of dates or fruit, of course, along with the price and time of delivery. Do you know what is the purpose of Salam? To meet the need of small farmers who need money to grow their crops and to feed their family up to the time of harvest. When Allah declared riba haram, the farmers could not take usurious loans. Therefore, Holy Prophet, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, allowed them to sell their agricultural products in advance. To meet the need of traders for import and export business. Under Salam, it is allowed for them that they sell the goods in advance so that, after receiving their cash price, they can easily undertake the aforesaid business. Salam is beneficial to the seller because he received the price in advance, and it was beneficial to the buyer also, because normally the price in Salam is lower than the price in spot sales. Let's see this illustration to clarify the process of Salam. The bank will purchase the item from client A with full prepayment of the price and delivery on an agreed specified date. The seller will deliver the commodity at the agreed time and place. The bank will sell the commodity to any third party, C, on credit. After taking delivery from A on the agreed date, the bank may make delivery to C or any other purchaser. The purchaser executes the purchase and takes delivery from B and signs a promissory note against payment on an agreed specified time.